How to fix Claude 500 internal server error. If you're getting a Claude 500 internal server error, don't worry. This usually happens because of a temporary server or connection problem. Here are some quick fixes you can try. First, wait for a minute or two and try sending your prompt again. If the error continues, refresh the Claude page by pressing Ctrl-R on Windows or Command-R on Mac. If that doesn't work, start a new chat and send your prompt again. Sometimes the issue is limited to a specific conversation. Next, check the official Anthropic server status to see if Claude is experiencing an outage. If the servers are working normally, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Then restart your browser and sign into Claude again. You can also try opening Claude in an incognito or private window. If you're using a VPN or proxy, temporarily disable it and try again. Finally, if you're sending a very large prompt, break it into smaller sections and submit them separately. If Claude is experiencing a server-wide outage, you may simply need to wait until the issue is resolved. That's how you can troubleshoot and fix the Claude 500 internal server error. If you find this video helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more videos.